Welcome to the course. This is where your transformation begins. If you've ever felt bloated, tired, or like your appetite is out of control, you're not alone. The real key to better health isn't another diet or supplement. It starts deep inside your body. It starts with your nutrition. Let's explore what that really means and how it can completely change your energy, weight, and overall well-being. Have you ever felt bloated, constantly tired, or unable to control your cravings? These problems aren't just about what you eat. They often come from deep inside your gut, from an invisible world of bacteria that affect your energy, mood, and even your decisions. When this internal ecosystem is out of balance, your entire health can suffer. But the good news? You can take control, and it starts with what's on your plate. Deep inside your digestive system lives a powerful community, your gut microbiome. It's made up of trillions of bacteria, and they're not just quietly helping with digestion. They actually influence your appetite, your food choices, and even your emotions. When the wrong bacteria take over, they send signals that push you toward sugar, refined carbs, and junk food, the very fuel that helps them thrive. The result? Inflammation, low energy, brain fog, and cravings that feel impossible to resist. But once you understand this, you can break the cycle and take back control. This isn't just about digestion. Harmful gut bacteria actually release toxins into your system. These toxins cause bloating, fatigue, poor focus, and sugar cravings. And the more sugar you eat, the more they grow. That's how the cycle continues, and why it feels so hard to stop. Not all microbes are harmless passengers. Some, like fungi and salmonella, feed on sugars and produce toxins that damage your body instead of helping it. These toxins inflame your gut lining and make you feel tired, foggy, and inflamed. Over time, this weakens your immune system and disrupts your energy, digestion, and mood. It's a toxic loop, and breaking it starts with changing what you eat. If your diet is broken, no supplement, detox tea, or clean eating trend will fix it. To heal your body and truly regain control of your health, you need to address the root, your gut, and the foods that shape it. That's why this course is designed to give you a clear, long-term strategy. Not just short-term tricks or trendy advice. You'll learn how to eat in a way that restores balance inside your body. A way that supports weight loss, reduces inflammation, and improves energy and mood, naturally. Once your body has what it needs, it begins to heal itself. That's the power of real nutrition. Animal-based foods are not just rich in nutrients, they also avoid feeding the harmful microbes that thrive on sugar and carbs. These foods help calm inflammation, eliminate bloating, and stop sugar cravings at their root. By focusing your diet on quality animal products, you give your body what it truly needs to heal, rebalance, and thrive. Fasting is one of the most effective ways to reset your gut. By giving your digestive system a break, you create an environment where harmful microbes can't survive, and beneficial bacteria finally get the chance to grow. Even short fasts between meals can help calm your gut and support healing. Restoring a healthy microbiome takes time. It won't happen overnight, but this is one of the most rewarding transformations you can go through. By eating the right foods, creating consistent habits, and giving your gut what it needs to heal, you'll shift the internal environment of your body. And this shift doesn't just help with fat loss, it strengthens your immune system, balances your energy, and improves your resilience against chronic disease. So yes, it's a long game, but one that's absolutely worth playing. Transformation doesn't begin with perfection. It starts with a single step. That step might be skipping that sugary snack, choosing meat and eggs over cereal, or just getting curious about how your food makes you feel. Small changes lead to massive shifts in how your body works and how you experience life. So start with one conscious choice today, because that's where real transformation begins. This is where true change begins, not with counting calories or chasing diets, but by transforming what happens in your gut. By choosing real, nourishing foods and minimizing sugars, you create an environment where healing becomes possible. It's not just about losing weight. It's about reclaiming your energy, your balance, and your long-term health. And the best part? Once your microbiome shifts, everything else gets easier. Restoring your gut microbiome is a journey, but it's one of the most rewarding things you can do for your body and mind. In the lessons ahead, I'll guide you step by step, showing you how to make real changes in your daily habits. Take a moment to reflect on what you eat and how it makes you feel. Because this isn't just a course, this is the first step in your transformation. You've made it to the starting line, and now it's time to move forward. This journey is about more than information. It's about transformation, and you're not alone. I'll guide you through each step, clearly, simply, and powerfully. Let's begin, together.